Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental concept, the perpendicular bisector. This special line is crucial for understanding symmetry, construction, and solving many geometric problems. To understand the bisector, we first need to look at the line segment. Unlike an infinite line, a line segment has a specific length defined by two endpoints, which we will call A and B. This finite distance is what allows us to find a middle point. Every line segment has exactly one midpoint. This is the point, labeled M here, that sits exactly in the center. It divides the segment into two equal parts. Notice how the distance from A to M is exactly the same as the distance from M to B. Next, let's define perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular if they intersect at a 90-degree angle. This creates a square corner, also known as a right angle. In geometry, we use a small square symbol to indicate this precise relationship. Now we combine these two concepts. A perpendicular bisector is a line that passes through the midpoint of a segment and forms a 90-degree angle with it. It does two things at once. It cuts the segment in half, and it stands perfectly upright relative to the segment. Here is the most powerful property of this line. If you pick any point, P, anywhere on the perpendicular bisector, it will be the exact same distance from endpoint A as it is from endpoint B. We call this being equidistant. Constructing this line is a classic exercise. By placing a compass at point A and then at point B, and drawing arcs with the same radius, we find two intersection points. Connecting these points gives us the perfect perpendicular bisector without measuring numbers. We see this concept everywhere. In architecture, roof trusses use this geometry to distribute weight evenly. In navigation, if you want to stay a safe, equal distance between two obstacles, you travel along the perpendicular bisector. Let's review the key points. The perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint, creates a 90-degree angle, and creates a line of symmetry where every point is equidistant from the segment's endpoints. Thank you for watching. Understanding the perpendicular bisector opens the door to more complex geometry like circumcircles and triangles. Try drawing one yourself to see the property in action.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.